G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got an unboxing for you today. This time, it's the Nebula Capsule Air by Anker. Really looking forward to this. Let's have a look inside. There's quite a few reasons why I'm excited about this. When I looked at the kind of the specs and what it's trying to do and everything, to create this kind of projector experience, which is so small it can fit in your pocket, and kind of it can attach itself to any surface and is really user friendly, but still offers like pretty impressive battery life, and it also gives you a 720p, so standard definition, but 720p projection over 100 inches. So like, it's just got a heck of a lot going for it, on paper at least. And obviously I'm going to jump in and do a full review on the channel very, very shortly, so keep an eye out for that. But right now, it's time to have a look at what's inside. So let's jump in. So Anker's a good brand. Like, they make some great products. And they're really good with battery as well. They do a lot of power stations and battery packs, things like that. They've got a lot of history there. So the fact that this has got some battery life to it, it's going to provide some flexibility that, yeah, I haven't had in a projector before, I think. So anyway, that's the top bit there. So I've got the box open up. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. Bit of a picture inside. Experience starts now. Okay, so let me show you what's in here. So I've got a voice remote in this box here. So it's got its own separate box, which is interesting. I wonder if that's because it can be sold separately in some way. But there we go. I'll look in there in a sec. We have the snap-on base adapter. It's in this box here, so we're going to open that in a second. And there's one big important thing in the box still to come, and that's the Capsule Air. Oh wow. This feels incredible in the hand. There's unbelievable weight to that thing. It's just so dense. It feels expensive and it feels powerful. When you kind of pick something up like this and it feels like proper solid, it feels like metal. It feels like there's so much going on inside of it. Like, I know, you know, when you're trying to talk about portable products, you usually want something that's kind of light and easy to carry around. But by the same token, it's also sometimes nice when you see a product that's, you know, got a reasonably small footprint. Like, they say it's about the size of a can of beer, and that's about spot on, I reckon. I don't know if you'd be walking around with it in your pocket. I don't know what the actual weight is, but you're definitely feeling it. But you can just feel instantly quality. Just feels quality straight away. Feels strong too. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going to break if you drop it too, which is pretty important for a portable device. Listen, I'll drop it now. Oh, can you see how solid it is? It's like dropping mercury or something. All right, so that's all there is left in the box. As you can see there, nothing to go. We do have one piece of plastic, which is slightly frustrating. We're trying to get away from this, although it does say it is recycled plastic. So there we go. So I can pass that on to the recycle gods, and hopefully they actually do it. Okay. Yeah. All right, so pretty tight, nice package. Let's have a look at what else there is. Let's start with the remote, with a bit of box art on it. Okay, all right, comes in. Like the way that it opens up there, so opens like so. We've got quick start guide. It's very picture driven, which is good. No tiny crazy small print. It's just, you don't need instructions, you just need pictures. Usually a good sign, but we'll see. And we've got some warranty information. That's way too fine. I can't tell you what the warranty is on that, sorry. Okay, we have in here this foam kind of holding everything in place. Put that out there. So it comes with two batteries. They are Daily Max. Never heard of that brand before. So no idea how long they're going to last. And the remote, which look pretty classic TV remote, reminds me a lot of the Samsung, LG, not so much the LG, or the new LGs, but yeah, classic TV remote really. Not too thin. where it's going to lose it, but not so big that it's taking up heaps of space. You can have a look at that there. But what we've got is, okay, it's got a mic button on it, so you can hold that down and talk to it. You just got change channel, back, home, and then there's presets for YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, and a mute button. So there we go. Remote. I've always wanted to know how much those companies have to pay to get on these remotes. Surely it doesn't come free. We've also got some screws here as well, which is very interesting. Thought the whole idea was it was portable, so why would you screw in the base? Maybe that's for something else. Anyway, we'll find out. Let's have a look here with the base. So inside we have the base. This one's got cardboard in it, not plastic. And we have a wall charger with USB-C. Thank goodness for that. Oh yes. Geez, I've been getting frustrated by just getting these. So this is the USB-C to USB-C cable and nowhere to put it. And I've dead set, I kid you not, today I was just looking for one of these because I had so many things to charge. And none of them come with the actual wall unit anymore. And I've run out of them. I don't know where they are. The kids keep stealing them. Okay, here's the USB-C cable. It is, I'm gonna go with 60, 70 max. That's a pretty short cable. Definitely should have gone at least a meter. I mean, that's not far from your wall. Yeah, a bit disappointed with the cable length. That could have definitely been longer. At least a meter, please. But obviously not a deal breaker. And in here we have this base. So when I was watching the video, like the launch video for this, like it had basically like super cool kids, like just dropping this anywhere and just attaching it to walls and stuff. So there must be some additional accessory. Okay, so it comes with a drilling guideline. So obviously you are supposed to install this base somewhere, or you can as an option. But yeah, okay, I'm going to look into that more. That's going to be something to bring up in the review and work out how we get that experience that everyone else has been getting according to the trailers. Okay, so there we go. That's a quick look at everything you're going to find inside the Nebula Capsule Air Projector by Anker. So far, I'm pretty impressed by the build quality. I'm pretty impressed by how compact it is, and it's going to be interesting to play around and see how all this stuff works out and what we get for it. But as a first impressions, I can't wait. And I'm going to be using this in some really interesting places. I'm particularly excited to see how this goes camping. I really want to be able to go camping with the kids and then do like an under the stars style, movie experience. It's got HDMI in the back here. It's got USB-C. It's got Chromecast. So we can just basically either plug in a file on USB-C or HDMI to a laptop, or just Chromecast it from a phone or something like that. And we should be able to get an 100-inch 720p movie on the side of a tent or the side of an awning or something with the stars and the fire and the marshmallows. It's going to be great. So I'm going to try and do that as part of the review and make sure that as this experience works, but obviously plenty of other use cases for this, both inside the house and out. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel. I will have the review up as soon as I can test it out properly. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos, and until next time, I'll see you later.